Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Today a little bit red in the market. The correction is still unfolding. You can see that here Bitcoin has corrected in quite sharp ways already here in the last few weeks, but always recovered again and pushed to new highs. So Bitcoin is again in support, or still in support, hasn't managed to reverse. As I indicated earlier today, it takes a break minimally above the X wave high. Oops, let me just adjust that. Above this high, yeah, this end of this triangle. Can't remember if in the previous video, no, I think it was a WXY already. Because yesterday it was an ABC, but I did change it due to the continuation of the path to the downside. But it takes minimally a break above that high at 37,815, 810 to suggest that a low has been made. Until then, the local trend is of course down, and we need to watch the relevant Fibonacci levels to see if the price forms a low. One of the ideal targets, not the ideal target, but one of the ideal targets was the 100% extension. Waves W and X compared, 100% extension takes us to 37K. We are below that. Next key level I would pay attention to is 36,680. That's the 61.8 retracement level, and then 36,480. That's the 1.618 extension. These are really key levels. Below that, I think the ice starts to crack. And then when we break, or if we break below the 78.6 retracement down there, 36,216, and we get a sustained break below that, I think that would mean that we most likely will see invalidation here, even though it's not confirmed yet. Nothing is invalidated at this stage, but I want to make you aware of the alternatives. Alternatives, if a top has indeed already been made, then we would probably fall back into wave 4. That's one idea, that we are still in wave 4. So we have to prepare for that potentially. So what we will do, if this happens, we will put a support area for wave 4 onto the chart, or depending on the structure that's coming down, we are already in wave 2. Okay, so these are the two corrections that can play out. Obviously, it's no secret that we are sort of in a toppy phase up there. Yeah, we're very close to the top. The biggest part, the highest probability part of this rally is done. And it's literally just, okay, do we get another small push to the upside, or are we already entering the correction? For now, as long as support isn't broken, the focus remains on higher, because this pattern ideally gets another few squiggles higher. But we'll see. It depends on Bitcoin's ability, the bull's ability, to hold micro support levels. And as I explained in previous videos, we're very much watching for a larger pullback. But we don't just want to assume it's starting. Yeah, many people assume pullbacks are starting even though micro support levels aren't even broken. We always need to wait what the market tells us. Only when we get the signals from the market, only then we can really make a call. So the point is we need to recognize those signals. And for me, a key signal that something is changing here would be a break below that 78.6 retracement there at 36,216. So again, there's still a little bit of space. Bitcoin can still form support here. There's also still the ascending trend line that's moving up there. And ideally, we're turning around somewhere there and just push a little higher before we start that larger correction. That larger correction is due at some point in the near future. Or if we break, then first of all, we consider, okay, is it a wave 4? Or is it already this wave 2? Okay, it will probably take a while until we recognize it, because even this wave 2 wouldn't come down in a straight line. So it would also come down, move up. Yeah, it will probably be the nature of this move up that is going to tell us, is this a wave 4 and we are in wave 5? Or is it an A wave down, a B wave rally, and we come down in wave C of 2? But that's the next. We don't even need to deal with that question right now, because the current question is Bitcoin holding support or not? At the moment, it's all still within its proportions. Yeah, all the way to the 1.618 extension is absolutely okay. Below that, yes, the Y wave gets very much extended. but it's really all about that 78.6 retracement. Yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.